Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect DieStreams to Facebook. To connect DieStreams to Facebook, launch open the DieStreams app on your device first. Once you do that, tap on the menu button at the top left from the home screen. Here you will be able to see a Facebook Connect button. Tap on it and then click on the Continue button and you will be prompted to log into your Facebook account. If you haven't been logged in yet, enter your Facebook account's credential, that is your phone number or your email and password. After you are logged in, the app will automatically link your Facebook account to DieStreams. Click the Open button and allow DieStream to access your Facebook's name and profile picture, email address, as well as friend list. Click on Continue in the blue button at the bottom to do so, and within a few seconds, you will be logged in and automatically link your Facebook account to DieStreams. You can now synchronize your progress across devices, invite friends from Facebook to join the game, restore your account if you switch devices or uninstall the app. So that's how you easily connect DieStreams to Facebook. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, like, share and subscribe for more tutorials from us. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.